Hello friends, welcome to my channel Banking Aspirants. Today we'll see planning and strategy of IBPS clerks reasoning for prelims and mains. From this reasoning subject we are getting 35 questions out of 35 marks and time limit will be 20 minutes. We have less time, so we need to keep lot of effort to clear upcoming exams. Okay, let we see syllabus of IBPS clerks prelims. Coming to syllabus, we have first chapter as alphanumeric series. What is alphanumeric series? It is a combination of alphabets, numbers and symbols. This chapter is one of the most important chapter because in every competitive exam around 5 questions comes from this chapter only. Okay. Second topic is order ranking and directions. Order ranking in the sense we need to give rank to a particular person based on given conditions. Okay, coming to directions, we know well directions are north, south, west, east and northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Depending on the given conditions, we should give directions and draw the answers. From this chapter we are getting 2 to 3 questions. In prelims and mains have a chance to get 5 questions. Next topic is coding and decoding. In this type of questions, examiner coded according to a definite pattern or rule which should be identified first. Okay. Then the same rule will be applied to decode the another code or message. Okay. From this chapter we are getting 5 questions. This is also good scoring topic. Okay. Next topic is inequalities. Questions based on the inequalities of commonly 2 types. First one is direct inequalities and second one is coded inequalities. We have signs of inequalities. First one is greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equals to. These are different signs of inequalities. Based on these 5 signs only, we can answer the given inequalities questions. From this chapter, we have a chance to get 5 questions. Simply, we can solve. Within 2 minutes, we can solve. Okay. Fifth topic is blood relations. Problems on blood relation involve analysis of certain blood relations and then inferring on the basis of the given informations. In this type of problems, you should give proper attention to find out the correct relation. When we analyze the question to our family members, we can easily answer the blood relation questions. In this chapter, we have a chance to get 3 to 5 questions. Okay. Next topic is input and output. In this type of questions, machine performs some operations on a given input. These operations are performed repeatedly as per a fixed pattern or rule, and we need to give the different output in different steps by following input steps. Okay. This type of questions regularly come in competitive examinations, especially for bank PO. They are not so tough, but only factor is they are time consuming. And we know well time is premium in competitive exams. In mains, we are getting 5 questions from this chapter. Okay. Next topic is syllogism. Syllogism is an important topic of logical reasoning, generally set of 5 to 6 questions asked in competitive exams. This type of questions can be solved using Venn diagrams. When we solving these type of questions, we should consider the statement as always truth. That is, statements are universal truth. This is the main concept of syllogism. You must understand that statement and after that consider the solution. That is conclusion. Okay. Next topic is seating arrangement. In this seating arrangement, examiner will ask to arrange a group of people according to the given conditions. They may have to be seated around a table. Table could be of any shape: circular, square, rectangular, pentagonal, or any other. It is one of the most important topic in reasoning section for any competitive exam, especially for bank exams. In this part, questions are based on set of information containing set of conditions, which gives hidden information followed by a set of questions. Okay, these type of questions decide the ability of candidates to analyze the information and solve the questions by the help of pictorial figures. Okay, from this chapter we are getting 5 questions each set. Okay, this is a good scoring topic. Okay, next topic is puzzles. In these puzzles we may expect problems on different patterns: blood relations with professions and blood relations, comparison problems, arrangement problems, simple problems of categorization. Okay, conditional section. These are the different types of puzzles questions. Okay, from these puzzles we have a chance to get 5 questions. Next topic is data sufficiency. In the reasoning section of various competitive exams, especially for bank PO, some questions are asked from this topic. Okay, we need to analyze the given data and see if you can get the answer to the question using the given data. Okay, data sufficiency question contains a problem followed by a statement number 1 and number 2, sometimes 3 numbers also, containing certain data or information which may be required for solving the given problem. In this type of questions we are required to determine whether the problem can be solved with the help of data provided in the first statement or second statement. Okay, next topic is decision making. Decision making was coming in the exams 5 to 6 years ago. This topic is completely based on different conditions. To solve this type of questions, we should make a rectangular table consisting of different rows and columns. We should consider all conditions in a single column. And for different questions, mark right or cross for correct and wrong conditions. For better understanding, we need to practice different types of questions with proper solutions. Okay, from this topic, we are getting 5 questions. Next topic is cause and effect. Cause is an event that leads to another event which is its effect. Okay, simply cause is why something happens and effect is what happens. There are 2 methods which are usually asking in exams. First one is by using to statement. Second one is by using given passage. In statements they will give 2 statements. Okay, we need to find the which one is cause and which one is effect and is they related to each other or not. Coming to passage, they will give economic or any company data or scheme. So we have 4 statements as options and we have to find out according to question which one is effect or cause of the above passage. Okay, from this chapter we are getting 1 to 2 questions. Okay, next topic is course of action. In this type of question, a statement is given followed by 2 course of action numbered 1 and 2. The candidate is required to grasp the statement and analyze the problem or policy it mentioned and then decide which of the course of action logically follow. Okay, normally the directions of the question will be long and reading them in the examination hall is time consuming. Hence, understanding the question properly and quickly is more important. Okay, from this chapter we are getting 1 to 2 questions. Okay. Next topic is statements and assumptions. In this type of questions consisting of statement which consists facts, observation, discussions, etc. and followed by assumptions of which the validity is to be checked. Okay. The assumptions in the questions are hidden part. Okay. Hidden part of the statement without which the statement cannot exist. Okay. From this chapter we are getting 5 questions. Okay. Last topic is statement and conclusion. Okay. In this type of questions one statement will be given. The statement requires 2 conditions to serve as a conclusion. First, it must be logically derived from the statement. Okay. From the available information we need to conclude by the given conclusions. From this chapter we are getting 5 questions. Okay. Okay friends, this is the complete syllabus of reasoning for any competitive exams. Here I am providing timetable of 30 days. First 15 days for practicing and next 15 days for test. After practicing, take the chapter wise test because we can analyze our speed limit. Okay. By this we can check in which topic we are weak. Okay. We can analyze. Okay friends, follow this timetable seriously and you can clear any competitive exam. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe those who are watching first time, and if you like the video, hit the like button. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.